video is on the gift card section. So basically in gift card section we teach you guys how you guys can redeem different kinds of gift cards. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to our channel How to Guide, make sure to do that, because in the future we're going to be teaching you guys how you guys can redeem different kind of gift cards like Target, Shopify, Walmart, many more others. Alright, so let me teach you guys how you guys can do that. So basically you want to come to paypal.com and log in into your account. I've already done that. Now to redeem PayPal gift card you want to go on wallet. And on wallet first you need to link a credit or a debit card. So click on link a card. Once you come over here you need to link a debit or a credit card. You need to enter your debit or credit card number over here, and it's going to automatically choose which kind of card you use. You need to enter your card's expiration date over here. So after you enter your card's expiration date, you need to enter the security code of your card, and all of the information like your card's debit card number and the security code is going to be available on your credit or your debit card or whichever card you're using. Alright, after you enter the card number, the expiration date of your card and the security code of your card, you need to choose your billing address, but I think you guys have already filled up the billing address of PayPal when you created a PayPal account. If you have not, it's going to ask you to create a billing address. Otherwise, it's going to choose the billing address which is going to be on your account by default. So click on link card and your card will be linked. After your card is going to be linked, you have to come on wallets, and on wallet there's going to be a gift card option. Once you see the gift card option, you can click on the gift card option. Once you click on the gift card option, it's going to ask you to enter your gift card's detail like your gift card number. After you enter the code which is going to be given on your gift card and click on apply or redeem, your gift card is going to be redeemed. And let's say my PayPal gift card had $50. The $50 is going to be stored on my PayPal, and now I can buy anything worth $50 using my PayPal account.